I'm Court with Strike Visuals, and I'm here today to tell you about some exciting new products we have, our Lightbox Displays. Our Lightbox Displays are super fantastic at catching the eyes of customers who are going to be walking past you or who may see your booth down from a distance. The great thing about these walls that we have is you can actually modify them to be different sizes. Obviously you have to print different fabric to have the different size apply, but these can be different sizes and are very versatile. Another great difference between standard SEG displays that light up and our Lightbox displays is cost. These cost traditionally about half as much as SEG displays, look every bit as good, but are even easier to use and easier to transport. The counters, the Lightbox displays, they all come with their own individual shipping case, so transport and shipping of them is very easy. They have roller wheels, so they're easy to move in and out of your event and are protected from shipping and any damage that might traditionally come of them just being in a box. Another great advantage with these products is they set up quickly. Generally it can be done with one, maybe two people. It's obviously easier with two on these bigger products, but they can set up in just minutes what used to maybe take hours to do the other products. So as you can see in this frame right here, the difference between the products that are lit up and those that are not, it's pretty stark, right? We've got our sofa, our pillowcase display, and our flag. Those generally don't ever light up, but you can see the difference in the video. It's even more stark in person, just how vibrant they are and how much it catches your eye. So as you can see from our products that we have here to go along with the Lightbox and the Lightbox counter, we have our pillowcase display, our flag, and our sofa. So these are also printed on fabric. This is also fabric. This is not an acrylic. It actually looks acrylic in the video, but it is fabric. And even in person, it kind of blends between the two on what it looks like. But on the fabric, you know, it's really great, colorful, vivid printing. Obviously we have that as well on the light up display fabric, but the colors pop so much more when you've got light behind it shining through. I want to talk to you about some of our different Lightbox display options that we have. So we'll start with the biggest one, this big guy in back. As you can see right here, super awesome for trade show backdrops. As it's set up right now, it is a 10 foot wide by 7 foot tall, but it actually can be configured multiple ways. It can be 10 feet by 10 feet tall. It can be 7 feet wide by 7 feet tall, or 7 feet wide by 10 feet tall. So lots of options on how you want to size that. This next one right here is also great for kind of the front of your trade show exhibit or kind of off to the side if you already have a wall in back that you're using. So this only configures to two different sizes. Comes in a 3 by 7, which is what you see right here. And then there is also an extension piece that goes on top to take that up to a 3 by 8 foot size. Our Lightbox counter right here, obviously only comes in one size. This you're going to want to have placed out front to greet people, help catch attention with the light. But this sets up really quickly and simply, as do the rest of these products. So I want to show you the hard cases that we have for our Lightbox display products. So these things are really nice, and the thing that's honestly the best feature about them is they're pretty compact. This whole counter that this case is on top of fits inside of this case. The 3 by 7 and 3 by 8 wall also fits in a case that is pretty much exactly this size. And then the case for the larger display, the 10 by 7 up to 10 by 10 wall, that one's a little bit bigger, but honestly not much bigger than this. So these cases are also really great. On the inside, there are foam inserts that have a spot for each individual piece, and they're even marked to tell you where they go. So it's simple to put away, simple to get out, of course, but it keeps everything nice and safe inside and keeps it secure in transportation or in shipping. Another great feature on these, it's got the handle on the top and the side, of course, but when you're using the handle that's on the top, there are the roller wheels. So if you're walking through a convention center, sometimes you have to walk quite a ways. You're just pulling it behind you, not having to carry the whole weight by yourself. So as we discussed, these walls and the counter are fantastic options or alternatives to less vibrant displays. As I mentioned, they help really catch the eye. If you need more info or have any questions on these, you can find that information on our website, strikenow.com, or you can call or text us 801-872-4055.